So guys, what did I say? I've changed already. So, look at me. Freedom. What do you guys think? Did you guys like it? I know the much is gonna like the white one, but this one is too thick for my mom. It's tough, so I don't think my mom can wear this one.
Harry, das ist meins.
So,
Deins ist kleiner.
so guys, we're gonna cook right away. Yeah. Well, I don't have a potato peeler. That's a problem. I don't know. What to do. Okay, everything is gonna change. This was only working in one room. Oh goodness.
Oh, it's getting colder.
It's getting,
I feel it already.
it's getting closer.
Which pier?
Yes, we pay. Oh, I'm gonna make it the way the people will like it.
Okay.
The toy after the wash has only.
But because this is permanently switching on and off. Small one is set. Maybe it's what small.
Let me do the other this one. This one is already so delicious.
Okay.
I need water, Mom.
Lecker?
More crunchy. Take 1 minute off. Push it back.
Don't try it.